Do you know that for every episode of sex that you have, there's a 15 to 20% chance or possibility of contracting or contacting sexually transmitted infection? In fact, whether you like it oral or anal or vaginal, every route is embedded or has its own infections that can go with those routes. And let me tell you, how do you know if you have sexually transmitted infection? It's a little different between men and women. For men, most of the time, okay, what they notice in their genital organs is that either they have itching, either they have painful urination, they could have sores or bumps on their male genital organ, and they could have discharge, either whitish or bloody discharge from their male genital organ. And that is most of the time when you have something like that, most likely is a sexually transmitted infection. Now, secondly, for females, what they have, number one, is either they don't have any symptom at all, but when they have symptoms, they can have the same thing, similarly like ulcers, painful urination, they can be bloody discharge or bleeding per vagina, and sores, and all of that can be symptoms of STI. Now, if you have these STIs, the problem with it now, why I'm very, very intentional about this talk, is that, do you know that some of these STIs, like human papillomavirus, can even cause cancers? And in fact, it's the commonest cause of cervical cancer in our world today. And for women, especially women, I keep talking about women, it can cause infertility, it can cause ectopic pregnancy, it can cause chronic pelvic pain. If you have sexual transmission, even for a man, even a man's sperm can be totally dead because they have had sexually transmitted infection. What am I trying to say? Let's be careful and let us practice safe sex. Be careful who you're with. Do not just put it here and there, because you may be having an infection that can affect you and affect your woman. And if you have any of the symptoms that I've talked about, it's best you go see a doctor that will take care of you, and so that it doesn't cause bigger trouble. The earlier you treat yourself, the better. I'm sure you understand me. Take care of yourself. You deserve it. Thank you.